Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So good morning. Today is Tuesday and I'm going in the gym. My nails needs to be changed. I'm going in the gym. This is the outfit. I'm dressed like this because literally when I finish gym, I'm going to go to town to run some errands. So that's why we are dressing like this. This is my outfit. This top, this shirt plus my baggy pants. I don't know whether you can see it. I think I should use the other mirror. And then I'm putting on my Zara shoes. These are new. I bought them I think a week ago and they are really nice. I found a shoe plug, guys, and I'm so happy about that because I've been struggling like getting genuine good shoes on a good price. But yeah, I found one in Tinder. But anyway, so that is my outfit. I'm going to the gym, go to town, come back. I have to edit a video. I also have to sew a dress because on Saturday on the weekend I have a party, but I have to wear a dress. So I want to make myself a dress. So I don't know whether we're going.
Big girl now. Try to figure out how to stop complaining all the time and start actually solving the problems on your own. You know, for example, if you feel like you're not happy, figure out on how you're gonna be happy. If you have kids one day and you're not happy, you're gonna have to get it together for them. You got a family to feed, you got a big career here. Get yourself together. Nobody's in charge of your happiness. You gotta grow up. That's what I'm telling myself.
I don't care if you made the biggest mistake in your life, that you talked in class or you got a pink slip or you didn't do well in a test, you're still worth it. That's how life works.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh. Well, I guess that's what happened.
Every day, I remind myself of how far I have come from. I look back and know it has never been so easy. My happiness matters to me more than anything.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in a drop top, your legs on the dashboard. Yeah. So tell me what I'm to do whenever I'm missing you. Tell me, do you love me? Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. Know it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth. I'll take that if that's all you asking for. With my legs up on the dashboard. In my pocket is my passport. Yeah. Somebody give me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you when I'm alone. Part of me that can't just knows it's gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Though I'm holding again, cause I know in the end we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have been. Oh, we could have been. Ooh.
Homemade chapatis. Homemade chapatis. Good morning. Antamilanga chinaoluf. We are going to sew. It's time. It's time. We use these machines, okay? This is the fabric that we're going to be working with. It is 3 meters, but I only need like 1.5, I think, or 2 meters, according to what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to use Singer 6180, Singer Brilliant 6180. The other one is resting. So yeah, let me rope you through. Let me set you up here. I think this will be okay. That I was making sausages, and look at what I've done. I don't know. Nastadeko nenzirikako. I don't have time to defrost others.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way she shine. It's independent. Come here, we see the body. Green body make I roll, come here. I know you seen on me. I get the money pass your papa. Wait you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want to do down more? Share your biggies land me. You better look your body and more fuck up. Suffer with this body. Make we run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. Take it to some move where you know go. We come make a drive up. Come make a drive this on the road. Baby, allow me. If you want me, allow me. See body, oh. Yeah, body, oh. The boss in my boy,
me, oh.